Indonesia, Coach John Hartman and player Nadeo Argawinata. To ask Coach John a question. So, how's your team?
Thank you. Thanks everyone for coming out here today. It's a bit different than being at our GBK. We're excited to play in Bogor. We're excited to play for the people in Bogor as well, and really hope we have a full stadium to support us in a big match against Cambodia. The preparation has been, as I've said, it's been good. The players have bonded in their time in Bali. There's good spirit. And tactically, we're seeing evolution. The team are getting closer on and off the pitch. Tomorrow will be our second game together. So as I say, bilan, step by step. We focus only on the game tomorrow, and tomorrow is about us. It's about us getting stronger together and taking our first step in a tournament, which hopefully will be the first of a lot of steps.
Thank you so much, Coach. I also want to ask Nadeo a question. What is your expectations for tomorrow's match? Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, selamat pagi semuanya. Saya kira lebih baik saya menggunakan bahasa Indonesia aja ya, supaya lebih jelas karena kita bermain di tanah Indonesia juga. Untuk ekspektasi saya, pastinya untuk pertandingan besok, kita sudah bahas semuanya di Bali bersama Coach John. Kita sudah siapkan preparation kita sedemikian rupa dengan apa yang harus kita bawa ke Bogor untuk pertandingan besok. Saya rasa kami semua cukup yakin dan percaya diri untuk pertandingan pertama besok. Kita tahu pertandingan pertama pasti tidak gampang melawan siapapun itu. Jadi fokus kita tetap terjaga untuk pertandingan besok dan siap 100% untuk pertandingan besok.
Terima kasih banyak. Now we open the Q&A session to the media. Please mention your name and media before asking. Thank you.
Puja Team Strength.
Pagi. I think the most important thing at this stage in our evolution is us. I think Timnas, we have to focus on us. We have to trust the steps that we've taken. This will be our second game together. And the game against Bali United, we made good progress. Tomorrow it's about progress. Cambodia have played already one match in this tournament, which they'll be in good rhythm. They'll be ready. But for us, the focus is on our tactical identity, our connection, our chemistry, our spirit, and then just to trust if we bring the best we can bring in this moment, we'll be okay. So Cambodia, we will look at Cambodia. We had a chance to watch them play. They're an organized team. They're very disciplined. They'll be tough. But at this moment, we have to focus on Timnas and what we do together. And take that first step together, and everything that we give, hopefully it will be enough to get a result against Cambodia.
Thank you. Any other question?
If Marcelo Ferdinand got injury, is it true, and how his condition right now? Thank you.
Yeah, we're monitoring Marcelino at the moment. Match day -2. He took a little knock in one of our drills, so it's precautionary. We'll manage him through the next couple of days. He'll be hopefully fitness tested either today or tomorrow to see his availability. But He's a resilient kid as well, Marcelino. He's had a few tough moments in recent times and mentally very strong, and he's itching to play, that's for sure.
Dua pertanyaan lagi.
So, as we know, you held like training in Bali, but you cannot hold international friendly match, and you only had one friendly match against Bali United, right? So, is it like you wish before that you have like friendly match with international team that can push your preparation to this tournament? Thank you.
Yeah, we asked Brazil and England and Argentina, but they were a bit busy. No, I'm really happy. I mean, this tournament's at a really difficult time. You know, you're in a pre-season with players that have had a long, tough season in Indonesia. They needed some time off. And then you have to bring a group of players together to almost create a mini pre-season. So you can't play too many matches safely with this group. So for us, we played an internal friendly match, which isn't very friendly, red versus white. And that always creates a healthy intensity. And then the game versus Bali. I mean, if you look at Bali United, I think there's teams in this competition that Bali United would beat. On paper, a very good team. So it was a good test for us. But like I say, tournaments step by step. It's game by game. Again, from a pre-season perspective, the players are physically starting to get ready, but you won't see the physical readiness of players until game 3, game 4. They as I say, are going through a pre-season at the moment. So we have to respect that. At the end of the day, the clubs have been fantastic releasing their players. We have to protect the players and the clubs. It's really important. So, yes, there's a goal to win a tournament, and there's a goal to win matches, but never at the expense of player health and safety. So, you know, it is, when I say it is step by step, this is a step-by-step process for sure.
Thank you.
Nadia, ingin bertanya, ini kan edisi spesial ya, 30 tahun AFF, Piala AFF digelar, tapi Indonesia sampai sekarang belum pernah juara sama sekali dari tahun 96. Sebagai pemain, semangat apa yang Coach John Herman sampaikan selama pemusatan latihan di Bali, hingga akhirnya termotivasi bagi pemain untuk menjadi juara pertama kalinya di AFF ini? Lalu yang kedua, kalau dari menurut Nadio, kemarin Kamboja udah main lawan Singapura tapi kalah 1-2. Nah, Nadio mungkin udah mengamati cara bermain Kamboja seperti apa. Pandangan Nadio tentang Kamboja gimana? Terima kasih.
Ya, pastinya pertanyaan pertama tadi tentang 30 tahun kita mengikuti Piala AFF tapi belum pernah sekalipun mendapatkan juara. Ya, saya rasa dengan hadirnya Coach John sekarang, dengan apa yang dia bawa, kita di sini fokus selama di Bali untuk build the connection, ya kita bersama-sama bangun koneksi itu antar satu sama pemain, antar pemain ke pelatih atau siapapun yang ada di dalam tim saat ini. Dan itu dia fokus kita di sini untuk membangun itu pertama, step by step seperti yang Coach John bilang, karena basic atau fundamental itu yang sangat penting bagi negara kita sekarang, saya rasa juga betul. Dan untuk hasilnya, ya pasti kita mau juara. Setelah 30 tahun kita mengikuti Piala AFF, pasti kita mau juara. Dan ya, kita percayakan itu. Dan semoga itu bisa terjadi di turnamen edisi kali ini. Dan untuk Kamboja sendiri, pasti dari pelatih, dari coach juga sudah menganalisa bagaimana pertandingannya, bagaimana kekuatan apa saja yang Kamboja punya. Dan sebagai pemain pasti sendiri kita juga mempersiapkan diri sesuai instruksi pelatih juga pastinya. Ya, pertandingan pertama tidak gampang meskipun kita sudah lihat Kamboja kemarin kalah 1-2 di home melawan Singapura. Tapi itu tidak menjadikan alasan bahwa kita melihat Kamboja juga tim yang sepele atau tim gampang untuk dikalahkan, tidak sama sekali. Kita tetap fokus dan seperti yang Coach tadi bilang, kita fokus pada tim kita sendiri dengan identitas kita sendiri, cara bermain kita sendiri dan dengan keyakinan penuh bahwa kita bisa memberikan hasil positif untuk pertandingan-pertandingan di Piala AFF kali ini. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih, Nadio.
Okay, I will end this press conference session. Thank you so much to all the media that already attending today. Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Nadia. Good luck for tomorrow.
Terima kasih. Foto?